Hey everybody, I'm Nikki from Doug and Nikki, and today we are checking out these Kiooil. I'm not sure how you say the name, but this is the brand, and they are these cute little crystal stones. They're really things that you can do a lot of things with, a lot of craft. You can put them in vases. In this set, so this is the pink. So I wanted to show you guys. So you get the smaller stones. You get the larger stones, and then you get a little bag of the white stones, which is kind of cute. So I wanted to show you how cute are these. They're really pretty, I have to say. They're all nicely polished. Those are the large ones. These ones are polished too. Pretty are those. Look at how pretty those are. And then we have these. These are also polished. They look like little pieces of glass. They might actually be polished glass, I'm not sure, but they are super cute. So, you know, there's so many things you can do with these, like arts and crafts. You know, I would say which would be cute is a little canvas. You can make like a little heart, glue them on. But for me, I think what I am going to do, I thought this was super cute. I have this cute little vase that is perfect. So we're gonna put them in the bottom. And I think that the mix of, you know, the sizes is nice too. And you got some white in there. Let's put some in there. We'll get some mix of some white. Ooh, that's pretty. And then, you know what? I'm gonna fill this up. I think this is gonna look really cool filled up. Watch. Just let me get these in my hands. First off, how pretty does that look? Flowers, some nice fall flowers. How pretty does that look in there? I'm gonna throw a little water in because we wanna make sure that how pretty is that? How cute does this look? That is so much prettier, don't you think, than just sitting in a standard vase by itself? And it also helps hold up the flowers better too. If you can notice, they might be toppled over a little bit, but they're nicely in the middle. And I think that looks super pretty. So I am super happy with these. Hope this has been helpful, and we'll see you next time.